Let's play, discover, sister and brother. Mom, Dad, the high camp. You play and discover.
What's up, Play and Discover kids? Today we're going to read Bluey's Butterflies. Dad is busy in the backyard with Bluey and Bingo when their neighbor Judo appears. "What are you doing, Bluey's dad?" she asks. "Just putting up a fabric swing," he says. "Yeah, they have them at Bluey's school," Bingo tells Judo. "I know that," Judo replies. "Bluey's my friend." They decide to play butterflies, so Bluey explains the rules. Okay, first, the caterpillar crawls along the ground. Then it gets into the cocoon. Then it hatches as a butterfly. But the butterfly catchers have been hiding. And catch it. "Oh, can I be the caterpillar first?" asks Bingo. But Judo has other ideas. "I'm going first." Bluey and Bingo find somewhere to hide. "Judo is so bossy," sighs Bingo. Suddenly, she spots a ladybug. "Oh," she says and starts to sing. "Poor little bug on the wall, ding ching. No one to love him at all, ding ching. No one to tickle his toes, ding ching. And no one to blow his nose." Judo hatches as a butterfly. "Catch her!" And the butterfly catchers chase her down. Yah! Next it's Bingo's turn. "You're too small to be a caterpillar," says Judo. "No, I'm not," Bingo replies. "Go on, Bingo. We'll be the butterfly catchers," says Bluey. Bluey and Judo run off to hide while Bingo crawls into the cocoon. "Little kids take so long to do everything," complains Judo. "She's only got little legs," says Bluey. "Poor little wug on the wall, ding ching. No one to love him at all, ding ching." "Hey, Bluey," whispers Judo. "Let's run away from Bingo." "What? Why?" asks Bluey. "She's taking ages," says Judo. Judo runs away. Bluey thinks about it. She runs away from Bingo too. "Wait for me." Bingo climbs out of the cocoon and flaps around the backyard. "Oh, look at me, I'm a butterfly." Flap, flap. "Hope there's no butterfly catchers nearby." Bingo looks everywhere, but Bluey and Judo are nowhere to be seen. Eventually, Bingo finds them. They are playing a different game without her. "Bluey, you were meant to catch me," says Bingo. "Ah, quick, Bluey, run away," says Judo. Bluey runs away again, leaving Bingo alone. Bingo crawls back into the cocoon. She sings sadly. "Poor little bug on the wall, ding ching. No one to love him at all, ding ching." Bluey feels bad. "I might go and see if Bingo's all right," she says. "She'll be fine," Judo tells her. "Let's play phones. Ring, ring." Bluey starts playing, but she is worried about Bingo. "Hi, it's me, Judo." "Judo, I think I need to find Bingo." She tries to tell Judo, but Judo's not listening. "Let me tell you all about my day." "Okay then, I'm going now. Bye." Bluey finds Bingo in the swing. "I'm sorry, Bingo. I didn't mean to run away from you." "Judo made me do it," says Bluey. "Well, she didn't make me do it. I did it a bit by myself." But Bingo didn't answer. "I'll never do it again," Bluey promises. "Please, can we play together?" But Bingo still doesn't answer. "Poor little bug on the wall, ding ching," Bluey sings. "No one to love her at all. No one to tickle his toes, ding ching. No one to blow his nose, ding ching." Suddenly, they hear Judo looking for them. "Quick, hide," says Bingo. Bluey climbs into the cocoon with Bingo. "There you are. You ran away from me." "Well, you ran away from me," Bingo replies. "New rule," says Bluey. "From now on, no one runs away from anyone, okay?" Bluey says sorry to Judo for running off. "I'm sorry too, Bingo," says Judo. It's time for another game of butterflies, but Bluey, Bingo, and Judo all want to be catchers. Who will we catch? Wonders Bluey. Yeah! The end. Thank you for reading with us, Play and Discover, kids. We'll see you next time.
Let's play, discover, sister and brother. Mom, Dad, the high camp. You play and discover.